At least 90% of Jamaicans will suffer from low back pain at some point in their lives. However, if this is something you experience, you're being advised to seek medical attention, as there can be other underlying conditions such as cancer. Shamela Mitchell tells us more in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
Health Report. Almost everyone at some point will have low back pain. Low back pain is found in the lower back, which starts below the rib cage. Pain there can be intense.
Individuals have pain either in the center of the back or going around the waist or going down the leg, sometimes as far as the ankles or into the toes. It is something that is very common. About 90% of individuals, it's estimated, will have low back pain at some point in their life.
Dr. Wade says most cases of low back pain can be caused from a muscle strain or injury.
Persons who are overweight, or if they have any weakness of the bone such as osteoporosis. Age-related changes are probably the most common reason why persons have back pain.
Is it debilitating?
Some persons can have pain that is so severe that they can barely walk, because walking is one of the things that can exacerbate some types of back pain. It is also worsened sometimes by prolonged standing and even sometimes sitting.
However, there are underlying conditions such as a herniated disc, a degenerative disc disease, or even cancer that could lead to low back pain. The good news is most times low back pain gets better on its own, usually by placing a heating pad over the affected area. Get a lot of rest and do moderate exercises.
If those things fail, they see specialists such as neurosurgeons, and we recommend a course of simple pain medication and physical therapy, failing which we may have to do scans such as MRI scan tests to look at the spine to rule out any abnormalities, and perhaps if there's something found, we may have to recommend surgery.
So, if you have pain lasting longer than 2 weeks or the pain begins to interfere with your mobility and daily activities, you're advised to seek medical attention. With your Health Report, I'm Shamela Mitchell wishing you good health. Health Report.